I forgot. Nah.
I know!
What the fuck?
Show me your face! Yeah, that's fancy, look at that! Which country is the Great Wall of China from?
France.
Wow!
That's so rude.
No, I saw something. Whoa!
You're a freak.
What?
No.
What? I saw
No.
it. What can I do?
No, you didn't. You saw nothing.
What can I do? My eyes. The first thing, my eyes
You
went
didn't
over
see
there.
shit.
All right. Before we start this video, I just want to tell you that roses are red. Roses are red, violets are blue. Get yourself a girl who can give you. Hello. Don't say bye. Hello. Why are you saying bye?
No, you're from China.
Do I look like freaking Chinese?
我会说中文. I can speak Chinese.
Oh, really? Where you from?
I'm from Myanmar.
Myanmar, but it says Bangkok.
Yeah, I'm in Bangkok now.
Oh, why you come to Bangkok?
I'm working here.
Oh, working. Oh, okay. So, what is your name?
My name is Luna.
Luna. That's a beautiful name, Luna, and a beautiful girl. Do you have
It's not.
Do you have boyfriend? Listen to me. Do you have a boyfriend?
What?
Do you have a boyfriend?
I do.
Deploying flashbang.
Do you think I care if she has a boyfriend? I am Alan Magic. Let's go.
Who is your boyfriend? Is your boyfriend right now with you?
No.
Yeah, exactly. That's why you are in Monkey app. Yes, sir. I have a question, by the way, miss. I don't give a damn if your boyfriend is gonna watch this. What is your favorite thing to do at night?
Nice.
Yeah.
I like to sleep.
Sleep?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Do you want to know my favorite thing?
Okay.
Well, my favorite thing to do at night is to be in between your legs. That's why he's everything! That's why he's the goat! The goat! No, I'm sorry, I'm just joking. I'm sorry.
You look like Indian.
Exactly.
You're Indian?
Exactly.
You know, I can speak Hindi.
Oh, really? Speak some language.
I'm Nepali.
What the fuck?
Wait. I'm confused. She says she's from Myanmar. She says she lives in Bangkok right now. She knows Hindi. She's from Nepal. Where is she exactly from?
I am Nepali, but I'm born in Myanmar.
Oh, so can you speak some Nepali language?
Of course, what do you want to know?
I want to know how to say I love you.
I can't say that.
Why?
I can say like, "Khana khanu bhayo."
So your nationality is Nepali?
Yeah.
Nepali
I'm also
girl! Beautiful Nepali girl!
You're Indian, right?
Yeah.
आप कैसे हो?
मैं बहुत ठीक हूँ. What about you?
मेरी माँ भी बहुत बड़ा था.
So listen to me. Why don't use your phone?
Okay. Don't lie.
Look at me. Can you look into my eyes?
Why?
All right, that's good. Can you close your eyes?
Okay.
Okay, so what do you? No, close. I'm gonna ask you a question. Yeah, close your eyes.
No.
Close your eyes.
Can I close my hand
No, close your eyes.
like this?
Yeah, don't watch. All right, that's good. So what do you see when you close your eyes?
Dark?
Dark?
Yeah.
That's how my life is without you. Right? Yes! Yes! मैं तुमसे शादी करना चाहता हूँ.
I am not accepting.
Why? Why?
Because I have
You have what?
boyfriend.
Yeah, but you are in Monkey app.
I told you already.
No.
I
That's a lie. I don't buy it. No. That's just a reason. And you still talking with me, so which means you are interested on me. La! I know. You don't have to say anything. You are interested,
No.
and I'm interested as well. So I love you. म तिमीलाई माया गर्छु.
पर्दैन.
लौड़े हो तुम, वो भी टेढ़े वाले.
Wait, let me tell you. I'm not kidding. I'm just here to like practice my English because in Myanmar we don't have a like
Okay,
open.
if you be my girlfriend, I'm gonna teach you English every single day, every single time, every single moment, every single freaking second.
How? You're a teacher?
Yeah, I'm an English teacher.
How old are you?
I can be a doctor, I can be a teacher, I can be anything for you. Why? Come on! Why are you saying no?
Okay, yes.
Yeah! Yes! Woo! Yes! Woo! Can I get your Instagram?
My Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah!
Let me check.
did it! Yeah! He did it!
Sabaiji,
Who's talking in the phone?
my friend.
Hang up. Talk with me.
No,
Talk with
I
me.
thought you.
Talk with me.
She's looking at you. She's looking at you.
Is he beautiful? Is he beautiful? Is he beautiful?
She?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's gorgeous.
Oh, really?
She's mommy.
Oh,
She's my
mommy! I like mommy. Yes. Oh my God. Can I see her? I want to see mommy.
Her camera is not turned on. I can show you a picture of her.
Okay,
Wait.
show me right now.
Mommy.
Oh yeah! Ho ho! Woo!
On my Instagram? Yeah, it's from your Instagram.
What about you?
What me?
Threesome. Have you ever tried threesome?
No.
Already. So it's gonna be our first time then. Me too. Me neither. Oh my God! Let's go! There are 206 bones in a human body.
How old are you? How old I look?
No, listen to me first.
What the fuck?
Show me your face. Show me a photo. Yeah. Hey, you girl, listen to me. Where is that?
She
Oh,
disappeared.
yeah, you girl, listen to me. There are 206 bones in human body, okay? It gets 207 when I see your photo. Send me that photo right now. Send me that photo right now. I'm gonna use it.
मामो तेरा बहन के 14 महावीर बाबा.
Yo, hello.
Hi.
Who is this girl? You look beautiful.
Thank you.
How old are you, miss?
I'm 20.
20 years old? Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Oh, really? Why? Why is that? You haven't found the right person?
No.
Is that the case?
Yes.
Just because you haven't found the right person doesn't mean you will. तेरे नाम लिखूंगा प्यासी ये कहानी एहसास की. If I snap my fingers, you will forget that you are gay.
I forgot. Nah.
What was
No, I
that?
was never gay.
What was that?
Ooh, you fine.
Oh, yo!
What?
Why is it so dark?
I want
It's
all
nighttime.
Can you turn on the lights?
Put all
No.
put all your
Please, come on, turn on the lights.
No, Daddy.
Why?
Fuck you.
Whoa! Chill, chill.
I know you're too fun.
Oh my God, no! What are you doing?
Yeah. I'm doing some work right now. I have someone commissioned me to do some logos, so I had to.
A logo. Can you draw me?
Do you want me to draw you?
Yeah, yeah.
Sure. I have nothing much.
Let's go, let's go. How long is it gonna take?
Just a few minutes, I guess.
Okay, draw me.
Okay, I'm drawing.
A few moments later.
Can't see it still, can you? I tried. Can you see it?
Alright, that was nice.
Thank you.
Big stepper, underground methods, dark nachos, get the most, nothing less. Straight terror.